The SwiftPoint GT is the first mouse in the world to give smooth panning and flicking without having to reach for the screen. It opens up touch to Windows 7, and fully touch-enabled systems like Windows 8 and 10 just come alive. You can use the GT on your desk like a traditional mouse, but unlike other mice, it's designed to operate on your laptop next to your touchpad. So whether you're on a plane or a train or in the living room, you can always use the GT and be 100% productive. The GT offers two modes of use. There is a point and click mode, just like a traditional mouse. Then there is the touch gesture mode. Tilt the GT over slightly to touch the stylus, and Windows 8 and 10 now see it as a finger moving on a touch screen. Windows 8 and 10 apps are all about tiles designed to be moved sideways with your finger. They're a nightmare to use with a scroll wheel. The GT supports native touch, so we can intuitively pan and flick smoothly left and right. The new web browser has great features too, but only for a touch screen. With the GT, you can flick back to a previous web page, read through the page with the scroll wheel, and then flick back to the top. With the new Start screen in Windows 10 Preview, you can use the power of a mouse and touch to easily open and switch between apps that now open in smaller windows. Windows 8 and 10 suddenly make sense and actually become pretty awesome.
Have you ever imagined running Android on a PC? Remix OS for PC is pioneering the next chapter of the Android journey by breathing new life into your old computers. Remix OS for PC beta version is finally here. More than 6 weeks of efforts have been put into improving the compatibility of the OS and making it available on even more computers. Some of the new features include hard drive installer for dual boot, 32-bit support, UEFI support, and OTA software update support, in addition to more than 50 major bugs fixes. The new version will be available to download for free from the official Guide website. If you have any questions about Remix OS for PC, feel free to check out our Help Center, where you can find answers to the most frequently asked questions. The beta version of the OS will be released on March 1st, 2016. Remix OS for PC, the next evolution of Android PC.
We are a group of engineers specialized in optical electric. We have been doing this for over 10 years. It is my pleasure to introduce the laser projection mouse. It is the built product under our own brand.
Odin is the god of war in Norse mythology. When Odin brandishes his spear in his hand, flashes of lightning strike the land of mankind. We cast aside the existing appearance and limitations of a traditional computer mouse and designed the world's first laser projection mouse. The cutting-edge Odin detects reflection signals with infrared sensors instead of traditional cameras so that Odin can have a higher resolution. This makes our laser projection mouse suitable for designers, office workers, or video gamers. Odin not only breaks through traditional limitations, but is also lightweight and can be easily stored. Just plug it in, and you'll be able to use Odin anywhere, anytime.
This laser projection mouse broke through the limitation in the traditional mouse. It offers reflection but affordable experience. Welcome to find our Odin, the laser projection mouse.
Let me show you how to scan to text with a ScanPass scanner mouse. Press the scan button to start. Scan the quote from newspaper. And press scan button again to stop. Select the area you need and then click OK on the right bottom. OCR is running now. And then you can just drag the file to your Word document. Scanning is done in 20 seconds and you can start editing on your document too. ScanPass is a scanner integrated into a computer mouse. It comes with a software that supports both PC and Mac.
Stay.